Big news coming in, Anirudh. Two accused in the Zubin Garg death case have been remanded to judicial custody, Anirudh. That is the big breaking news coming in, viewers. Two band members of Zubin Garg, Shekhar Jyoti and Amrit Prabha Mahanta, were remanded to judicial custody. And this is going to be a 14-day of police remand that had ended in connection with the singer's death. After that, they have been sent to judicial custody. The duo was brought to the court and later taken away in separate police vans after the judicial magistrate remanded them to judicial custody. In fact, the authorities are tight-lipped about the prison where they will be kept for now. Following the violence outside the district jail where the 5 other accused in the case were taken on Wednesday, they have been now remanded to judicial custody. 2 accused in Zubin death case have been remanded to custody. That is the big breaking news coming in. Anirudh, we were just talking about the investigation pertaining to the accused who have been now arrested. And as for the latest development and the big breaking news, 2 band members have been now sent to judicial custody. Give us more details.
Yes, Amrit Prabha Mahanta and Shekhar Jyoti Goswami, who were bandmates of Zubin Garg, they were produced in front of the judicial magistrate today morning at around 10 o'clock. And after being produced in the court, 15 days of police
Standing in view the law and order situation that took place outside the district jail in Buxar on Wednesday, the whereabouts where they are being taken, this has been kept a secret. We are getting to know that the court has also observed and taken note of the violence that took place on Wednesday outside the district jail Buxar, and the court has given the independence to the investigating department to decide on the place where Shekhar Jyoti Goswami and Amrit Prabha Mahanta will be kept. Priyanka.
Right. Thank you for joining us, Anirudh, and giving those details. We move on from that story and get you more breaking news coming in. Viewers, what we are breaking at this point in time in Republic is the Supreme Court has taken a suo motu cognizance of incidents of digital arrest scams. The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre through the MHS Secretary, CBI, Haryana Government and Cyber Crime Department of Ambala. The Supreme Court says that the fabrication of judicial orders bearing forged signatures of the judges strikes at very foundation of the public trust in the judicial system. Besides the rule of the law, such action constituted direct assault on the dignity of the institution. That is the Supreme Court taking a suo motu cognizance of the digital arrests coming in, and that is the big breaking news we are getting on Republic at the moment, with the Supreme Court now making a big statement and also issuing a notice to the centre through MHS Secretary, CBI, Haryana Government and the Cybercrime Department of Ambala. The court has very clearly stated that the fabrication of judicial orders bearing the forged signatures of the judges strikes at the very foundation of the public trust in the judicial system.